fellas, y'all ready to do this?
Yo, what's up, y'all? What's up, man?
Boys and men in effect.
Yeah, and it's about time. Yo, let's rip this up.
Boys the men, boys the men, boys the men.
Skip the beat, nah. While cooling on South Street, jet black band, plenty of friends,
And all the Philly steaks you can eat.
Back in school, we used to dream about this every day. Could it really happen? Or do dreams just fade away? Then we started singing and dancing, it sounds smooth. Then we started a group and here we are, kicking it just for you.
Yo, these 4 new jacks is real smooth on the harmony tip. Nate, Mike, Sean, and Juan, you know the mentality. Keep flipping the gift.
The spotlight is on us now. Watch us do this. Live and direct from Philly town.
the rapping hype and we can get down.
We are ready to roll, so now the world will know that we love. Back in school, we used to dream about this every day.
Could it really happen?
Or do dreams just fade away? Then we started singing and dancing, it sounds smooth. So we started a group and here we are, kicking it just for you. Back again, doing a little East Coast swing. Boys and men going on. Go, go. Not too hard, not too soft. Boys the men, 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 singing and dancing, it sounds smooth. Go, go.
Now check this out. One day back in Philly, 4 guys wanted to sing. They came up to me, I said, well, what's your name? Hey, you know what I'm saying? And then I said, all right, fellas, well, let me see what you can do. And then a smile when they won you and said, yo, Mike, check this out. See if this one moves.
Boys the men, ABC, BBD.